Hi guys, I'm Dev. Today we'll learn about linear regression. It is a linear approach for modeling the linear relationship between one dependent variable y and one or more independent variables. Here y depends upon one or more independent or sometimes called explanatory variables. When you have only one independent variable, the process is called simple linear regression. And for more than one independent variables, the process is called multiple linear regression. To keep the thing simple, we'll only learn about simple linear regression in this tutorial. Simple linear regression can be modeled by a straight line, where equation for the straight line is y equals to mx plus c, where m is slope and c is the y-intercept. It is sometimes represented by y equals to beta 1x plus beta 0. Look at this diagram. We have read books is in the x-axis and knowledge is in the y-axis. So when you read more books, your knowledge increases. So we say that there is a positive relationship between knowledge and read books. In this diagram, we have social apps is in the x-axis and free time is in the y-axis. So when you use more social apps, we will have less free time. So we say that there is a negative relationship between free time and social apps. Correlation coefficient is a value between minus to 1 to 1 indicating the strength of the relationship between two variables. It is represented by R. If correlation coefficient is 0, we say that there is no relationship between two variables. If most of the points lies close to the straight line, then we say that there is a strong relationship between two variables. Look at the first diagram. We have most of the points lies to the straight line, close to the straight line, and also forms straight line. So as it is increasing, and also we say that correlation coefficient will be close to the plus one, as we have a positive relationship here. And in the second example, we have a negative relationship. So the correlation coefficient will be close to the minus one. And in the third diagram, the points are scattered here. So here we have a weak relationship between these two variables. Look at this diagram. We have number of friends is in the x-axis and number of likes is in the y-axis. The more friends you have on social media, the more likes you will get on your photos or videos. So each point has certain number of friends and certain number of likes. So from this sample, we want to understand how number of likes increases as number of friends increases. Here we need to solve the equation for the straight line in such a way that minimizes these errors. That means here we need to minimize the distance from the points to the straight line. So here we need to calculate the slope and y-intercept. Let's suppose we have calculated slope which is 0.5 and y-intercept is 10, and if we have, let's suppose, for 36 number of friends we want to estimate how many likes we'll get. Let's put x in this equation. After that we find we will get around 28 number of likes. So we'll use statistical software to solve least square regression as well as correlation coefficient. So let's do it in Python. We need to import these libraries, and we have very small data for friends and likes. We'll use linear regress function of struts library which returns slope, intercept and r value. We'll calculate likes regression list from friends list using slope and intercept. This is for the straight line. Plotter scatter draws blue dots and this line draws the straight line and plotter show to actually draw it. So if we print the R value, we can see that we have 0.98 which is close to the plus 1. So we have a very strong relationship between friends and likes here. So that's all about simple linear regression, and next topic is on derivatives. Thanks for watching.